Just arrived at Secrets Vallarta Bay. I wanted to get a quick room tour. So I'm in the preferred club for this, and this again is Secrets. So this is the adult only side. Very open floor plan here. You can see I sort of walk through a curtain to go to the bathroom area, which then opens up to this nice big king bed room. Furniture is a little dated for my liking, but not horrible. I can survive. I can live with this, so not too bad. What really is special to me is obviously the view. There is a tub on the balcony here. I probably won't be getting in there, but that side over there is Dreams, so that's family friendly. Oh, maybe this too. It's all connected by this central lobby here. So we're right here. This is Secret side. Over here is your Dreams building. That potentially, oh, that must be the preferred club for Dreams. So you have access as an adult to both sides. And staying in the preferred club here on Secret side, we would have access to the preferred club for the Dream side. But this is what's so great. You're right there at the beach. Great infinity pool, if you can see that. I'll go down and get some videos there. And then you're really in the heart of Puerto Vallarta. So this is great for people that want to go out and about and explore. You literally can walk down this driveway over here where the lobby is and head down, and you're right in the center of town. So again, this is Secrets and Dreams Vallarta Bay. There is Secrets and Dreams Bahia Mita, which I've already been to, so wanted to get over here and check this property out. Really nice one.